with two letter patterns. We are going to learn the letter patterns AI and AY. We know that AI makes what sound, everyone?
A.
AY also makes what sound, everyone?
A.
Good. We are going to focus on A with AI and AY. So we are going to say words that have AI and AY in them. Please point to the first AI word. My turn. P-A-D. Your turn.
P-A-D.
Say it fast.
Paid.
Please point to the second AI word. My turn. T-R-A-N. Your turn.
Train.
Say it fast.
Train.
Please point to the third AI word. My turn. R-A-N. Your turn.
R-A-N.
Say it fast.
Rain.
These are all AI words. Paid, train, and rain. Please point to the first AY word. My turn. Pull A. Your turn.
Pull A.
Please say it fast.
Play.
Please point to the second AY word. My turn. A. Your turn.
Pull A.
Say it fast.
Lay.
Please point to the third AY word. My turn. A. Your turn.
A.
Please say it fast.
Say.
These are all AY words. The first is play, the second is lay, and the third is say. You are going to say all the words with me. Get ready, begin. Pay, train, rain, play, lay, say. We just taught our friends AIA and AY. And guess what? They taught you while chewing on some scrumptious cookies, which I rewarded them for doing homework helpers. Say goodbye.